In this video, I'm going to show you how to double and then quadruple the size of a 1K paper texture. We're starting here with a single 1K JPEG. I'm going to go to the tool menu up here, select crop and resize, and then open the settings. You can see here the paper texture is 1024 by 1024. So let's make it twice as wide, which would be 2048 pixels. I'll tap on Done to resize it. Now my canvas is twice as wide, but my paper texture is still only 1024 pixels wide. To fix this, I'll swipe to the left, duplicate the layer, select the Move tool up here, making sure snapping is on. I'll simply move my duplicated layer over to the right, and you can see it snaps perfectly into place. And because all the paper textures are seamlessly tileable, you can place them edge to edge on either side or above and below, and you will never see a seam. Now we have a landscape paper texture. But what if we wanted to make it square again? Let's go back into crop and resize, and this time we're going to double the height of the canvas. And once again, we'll make it 2048 pixels high, the same as we made the width. Tap on Done. Now I will pinch these two layers together to merge them. Swipe to the left to duplicate. Then once again select the arrow up here and move this layer into place to fill in the blank space. I can keep pinching, merging, and duplicating because the edges will always be tileable. But keep in mind two things. The bigger you make your canvas, the more memory it takes. The more memory you use, the fewer layers you have available to you in Procreate. The other is, the more you tile something, the smaller your texture gets. So unless you're printing very large, you won't see the fine texture. So if you're making images for the web or for social media, there's no need to have an 8,000 pixel wide image. I love sketching in the 1K size. It's fast, it's nimble, my brush strokes can be broad and quick, and I can use as many layers as I like. But if I do tile them, I find 2x2 is a very nice size. This gives me the flexibility of being able to crop to landscape, portrait, square, anything I like. And now you know how to seamlessly tile a paper texture. Enjoy your new skills.